Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about YouTube tips and tricks. And in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to get more views from Canada, US, and UK, as the case may be, or any targeted country of your choice. I'm going to show you on how to target views from those countries in order to maximize views and revenue on your YouTube. If that sounds interesting to you and really want to learn, consider to stay to this video and see how to get more views from tier 1 country on YouTube. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do here is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. You can use any browser available to you, but in this tutorial, I'm using the Chrome browser. Next thing we want to do here is to come to the search right here. And what you want to do here is to go ahead and type in Google Trends and hit enter. And in a few seconds, it's going to take you to web page result right here. What you want to do here is to go ahead and click on the first result right here, which is google.trends.com. Now it's going to take you right here. So by default, you are going to have your country location in your Google Trends. From the home page right here, you scroll down, then you see detail about what is happening in your location. However, you can explore some other countries like US, UK, and Canada and get more views directly from YouTube. How do we do it? I'm going to give you the simple trick here. What you want to do right here, let's say you are dealing with trending topic and you want to get some of the trending things on YouTube right now in America. For instance, we want to go ahead and we'll make sure we navigate to trending now. On getting to trending now, it's going to present every trending topic right here based on your location. Now we want to target America as a case study. So what we want to do here is to come here and click on here, and then we make sure we scroll down until we get to United States of America right here. So here we go. So click the whole United States. Then once you click on it, it's going to give you current trending now in United States. These are current trending topic here. 2026 Winter Olympics, Lake versus Nets, then Arsenal versus Chelsea. These are current trending keywords in United States, across the United States. So this is about 9 hours ago, 6 hours ago. You can scroll down and see some of the relevant trending keywords. Now, how do you know if some of these trending topics here are getting views on YouTube? And you can use the opportunity to create something around that keyword. For you to do that, what you want to do here is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to category right here. So what you want to do right here, let's say for instance, this particular 2026 Winter Olympic right here, we highlight the topic, we press Ctrl C to copy the topic. This is current trending now in the United States in the last 24 hours. So what we want to do here is to go ahead and we come to the top right here, click on Explore tab. So under the Explore tab, we come back here and then we paste the keyword right here. Okay, and we hit enter. So we're going to see the result based on the, you can see where the keyword peak from October to now 2026. Okay, now how do we know these are coming, this traffic here are coming from YouTube that will transform to views? So what you want to do right here is to go ahead. Let's say for instance, we want to check on how this particular keyword are trending within the last 24 hours. So go ahead and click on here and then select past 24 hours. We are not interested in previous year. So you can see the graph right here. So this is started trending as at 6 a.m. in United States. Now, how do we get the accurate information about this? Are there people actually checking something about this keyword on YouTube? So what we want to do is to click on website right here and go ahead and click on YouTube site. Now you see people are actually watching YouTube video relating to this particular topic right here. And one very good thing about this topic here is that only people from the United States will only search for this and they will have access to the video on YouTube. This is a keyword for United States. So what we want to do is to confirm. So we can easily go ahead and click on here to create a new tab, open up YouTube tab right here. Then after you open up my YouTube page, next thing I'm going to do is to click on search right here. Paste this keyword right here, 2026 Winter Olympic. So you can see relevant searchable keyword right here. Okay, So I'm going to press enter key on my keyboard. Then let's find out. So you can see 4 days ago, this ranking in about 112,000 views. And all these views here are direct from the United States. If you scroll down and check on another topic, another people that create something similar, so you can scroll down and see more as far as this particular keyword is concerned. So you can see the more you scroll down, the more you see details about it. Now, this is for targeting US content. Let's take a look at how you can target other countries on Google Trends and then convert it into YouTube view. So I'm going to come back to my Google Trends right here. So what we want to do now is to go ahead and then switch country and then change topic. So for instance, I want to explore the trending tab again. Then under the trending tab, so I will come back to country right here. So I want to change from United States. So this time around, we want to go ahead and check Canada trending now. So I'm going to go ahead and select Canada, the whole region in Canada. Then we're going to have a result based on the keyword. So in the last 7 hours, this is trending. About 20,000 plus are searching for it. Canada economy, about 10,000 plus are searching for it in the last 8 hours. You can see all active searching volume and hours right here. So if you see anyone with green right here, it means that they are very much active. People are still asking about that particular topic. Anyone with gray, they are having a lesser traffic, as the case may be. Now, let's say, for instance, we want to check on the first result, the second result right here, which is Canada economy. Highlight on it, then press Ctrl C to copy. Okay. Next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and make sure we go to Explore tab right here. So under the Explore tab, so we have United States right here. So what we want to do is to click on here and then change to Canada. So I'm going to go ahead now and choose Canada. So right here, Canada, the whole region in Canada has been selected and there is no actual result here. This is because I have not pasted something. So I'm going to go ahead and paste the keyword right here, which is Canada economy. So I'm going to hit enter. So let's find out the result as far as Canada economy is concerned. In a few seconds, you can see the graph right here. So this is past year. And currently now, this topic here started trending in 2026. So we can go back to past year and check on the past 24 hours. So we want to see how these keywords are performing right here. So you can see the graph right here. This is the peak right here. Now we want to confirm if these are actually transformed into YouTube view. So we want to go ahead and click on web search and then we look for YouTube search right here. So we want to be sure if people are actually watching video relating to this keyword. So just like so there is a view trend right here. As far as this is concerned, we can try as many as possible, try different keyword in this category right here. So let's go ahead and check the keyword on YouTube. I'm going to press Ctrl V right here to paste Canada economy so you can see relevant keywords right here. So whoever make a video around this particular keyword, you are attracting viewers from Canada. Okay, hit enter. So you're going to have similar view. So you can see whatever result here. So Canada economy is on live support. So this is 16 hours ago and ranking about 52,000 views. You can scroll down and check on more videos relating to it. So you can see the more you scroll down, the more you see different people making video around it. So if you want to make more research about a particular keyword, maybe you don't have much information about that type of content before you can go ahead and create a content around a particular keyword, create a new tab, then paste the keyword on your Google search and hit enter. Then it's going to give you so many results as far as the topic is concerned. Then you can read different articles from different blogs. Then from here, you can come up with a reasonable content that people in Canada will actually and definitely consume. You can use these methods to check and generate more traffic from other top tier countries in order to get more revenue and more view from those countries on YouTube. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to grow and succeed on YouTube, please consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video.